Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, I'm going to cover one more Kubernetes lab. So let's get started. This lab is regarding the Google Kubernetes engine, quick starts. So in this lab, we are going to cover five tasks. So these are the five tasks. You can see we are going to create a Kubernetes engine cluster, get authentication credential for the cluster and deploying the applications to cluster. So here it is, labs is ready. So let's activate, and this lab is very simple guys. You can claim the 100 point without any doubt. So let's get started. We are going to complete the one by one task. So for task number one, and this lab we are going to complete with the help of commands only. So let's copy the first command. From here we are going to set up the central zone. So let's go and execute the command. So this is the first command we are going to execute. So you can see updated the properties. So zone property has been updated. The first task is done. Let's go to the creating the uh, Kubernetes cluster. So first I'm going to copy this command and I need to set the cluster name. So I will copy this command on go this notepad, and here what I can do, I will mention the YouTube. It's up to you what the name you want to give. YouTube books. Okay, so this is a book. This is a name I am going to assign to my cluster. Copy this whole command now, complete command, and then let's paste here and enter it. So it will take a few minutes. Let me check if it is okay. I will add a re command and I will mention with a small letter only. Okay, and now I am going to add. Now you can see, note your pod address range will be this much, and let's wait now. It will take a few minutes. Now you can see cluster creating YouTube books in US Central A. So it will take 5 to 6 minutes. Just wait. Just wait for the complete execution. And this lab is very simple guys. You will learn something new in this lab about the Google Kubernetes cluster. So let's go with the flow. Don't try to rush anything, or don't try to put any single command or execute. No, it is not a game of collecting the coins or the points. It You have to learn something in the every lab. Okay, you can see here command is completely executed, and this is the execution summary. The Kubernetes engine name, location, the master version, master IP, everything has been displayed here. So how many numbers of node is 3 and everything status is all are running. So the command is executed. Let's check the progress. So you can see the first progress is done. Now let's continue the next. Now the task number 3, get authentication credential for the cluster. So here also we need to copy the command same, and whatever the name we used for the Kubernetes cluster engine, so we'll refer the same name here. I'm going to add and refer the same name. We'll prepare a command first. So this is the second command we are going to use now. Let's copy this and enter. Now fetching the cluster endpoints at authenticate data. So it is done now. So see, it's very simple for second command. Let's continue. Now task 4 is deploying an application to the cluster. So this is also similar. You have to copy the command. This is a hello dash app 1.0. This is the command we are need to execute, and here it is application we are going to create and deploy. So hello server created, and this is the expected output we supposed to receive, and same output we received. Now we need to expose the container. So here is its container command. It's also it include the load balancer. Okay, so copy this one and just go and add here. Let's do the same thing, and now you can see server. So what exactly the whatever the external IP will be allocated to this our cluster, we can easily access from the internet. So I'll show you that. So let's verify first, check my progress, and just go down, and lastly inspect the services. Let's enter this. So here it is, the cluster IP, external IP, everything. So this is a server, this is a load balancer, everything is visible. Now we need to refer external. Why? So we whatever the we have done expose which containers, so we can access through this URL or this IPs. So how, what IP we supposed to use? We supposed to use the external IPs. So I'm going to use that one. So this is the same command, or you can directly use this copy first external IP. You can directly type this on here also. Let's see that. If it is not work, you need to add the port, the whatever the port you've been used. Let me add here. So let me copy this, and the output should be okay. This is output we supposed to receive. Okay. Uh, okay, here it is not. We supposed to add port number details. So similar, it is the same output we were looking here. It is the page, you can see this is the same output has been showcased. Now Kubernetes service is created correctly, and it is executed also. And lastly, the task number 5, clean up job. So we have to clean the job, whatever the cluster is created, we need to clear it. Okay, so it means we need to delete. So let's add this. Okay, this command we are going to, which is cluster container cluster, we are going to delete it. Okay, copy this, and same way we have to add and execute. So you have to enter capital Y and say yes. Now you can see deleting cluster YouTube book. So it is working now. Let's verify our claim point. You can see we are complete the all tasks and claim the all points, and here also the task 5 also successful completed. So this is the way we can complete the labs, and we can easily claim the 100 point without any doubt. If you and within a time, it is not the issue. And if you have any doubt about this lab, please comment on the video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy learning. Thanks. Bye.